A small dot in the display will blink for every outgoing Midi message. Click up or down buttons to select the global Midi channel. Keep clicking up or down to cycle in a loop between all channels. Press and hold the down button until it shows the current preset number. Now press up or down to cycle between presets. Hold the up button to return to the channel selection mode. While the device is disconnected, press and hold the up button. Keep pressing while connecting the USB cable. Wait 4 seconds while still pressing the button. Then release it and wait until you see the infinite loop animation. Great success!